for food. Okay.
Mommy, it's a plate for you.
Thank you. Okay, what goes on Mommy's plate?
Oh, I got my leg. Oh,
Okay.
it's time to eat.
Yay!
It's time to eat. There you go, Mommy.
Oh, easy.
There you
Thank
go,
you.
Mommy.
Thank you so much. Here you go. Okay, can you put, what are you going to put on my plate for me to eat? What's that?
Cookie.
Cookie, all right. What's that?
Melon.
Melon, very good.
There you go.
Thank you so much. Can I have a fork? Thank you. You want some? Here, have another bite.
Look.
Oh, you have the blue plate. Okay.
Mommy, you have your plate.
Okay.
What's my
What's that?
pie?
Pie. Okay. What shape is it?
Pie.
What's that?
Sandwich.
No, that one's the cracker.
The cracker.
That one's a sandwich. I think we have to share the cookie. We're missing one. Here. Okay. Thank you.
There you go, Mommy.
Thank you.
Have a fork.
Have a fork. Okay. Where's your fork?
It's right here.
Oh, okay. What's that for? Why are you putting your fork in there?
Mmm. Yum, yum.
Yum, yum. Did you bring some juice?
All packets. All pink.
Is it in there? Is there juice in these cups?